Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I told you about the best websites to learn a particular skill that we are talking about in our video. So guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I will teach you about the best three websites from where you can learn JavaScript. As you know, JavaScript is one of the top three programming languages right now in the world. So there are many use cases of JavaScript. So our today's video is about the best websites from where we can learn JavaScript. So as you know, our video format, first of all, we will go to fiverr.com and then check the demand and competition of that skill, and then we will go towards our website. So I'm going to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplaces from where you can sell your services online and you can buy your services. So here I write JavaScript. So as you can see, there is a competition. 22,588 services available. Let's see. I will do PHP and MySQL, JavaScript. I will Node.js. I will open 3 gigs and then we will analyze this gig. React.js and Node.js is also a framework of JavaScript. So guys, let's analyze our first gig. Mike SS from Mexico, and he completed 1100 orders till now, and he got 728 5-star reviews. Great. Idea for user interaction, basic animations, form handling, etc. And when you he do not charge only $5. When you contact him, then he will talk about the project price and give you quotation. So this is a good gig. You can check out his gig description, but write your own. Do not copy his gig description. Take an idea and write your own. And you can also check out his like 721 5-star reviews, 4 4-star reviews, 1 3-star reviews, only 2 1-star reviews. So this basically this is a good seller. As you can see, recent reviews are 5 5 5. That's great. So guys, let's analyze our second gig, which is from Abdul R from Pakistan. I will write JavaScript, HTML, CSS, PHP query code for you. Okay. In basic, he charge $50. Debugging, fix bugs in your code and add a simple functionality. Okay. In standard, he charge $100. Debugging, custom code, fix extensive bugs of code in JavaScript, HTML, CSS, jQuery for you. Okay. In premium, debugging, complete custom website, measure overall and or custom website using the latest technology and responsive design. Great. He got 341 5-star reviews and he completed 501 orders till now. This is also a good freelancer, so you can check out his portfolio, he compare his packages, and also check out his uh, FAQs. Can you do coding in other programming languages? Yes. Okay. You can also check out his profile. So that's it for this gig. Let's move towards our last gig. Uzair. One order in queue, 94 4.9 reviews. I will build website in React.js, Node.js, Firebase. Okay. In basic, he charged $80, one responsive page, 3-day delivery, functional website, one page, content upload. Okay. In standard, he charged $120, three responsive page. In premium, he charged $500 and full stack web application, front plus backend plus databases. Great. 21 days delivery, unlimited revision. Okay. So this is also a good freelancer. So that you can also compare his gig prices and also uh, l- take a look on his gig description, but do not copy him. So uh, make your own. If you copy his gig description, Fiverr will never rank your gig. So I think that's it for the Fiverr part. Let's go towards our websites. So first website to learn JavaScript is freecodecamp.org. Learn. You can read about freecodecamp.org, and I want to write JavaScript algorithm and data certification. Great. I search here JavaScript. And you can see there are a lot of courses here. You can learn from any of the courses. So that's it. Let's move towards our second website, which is called eloquentjavascript.net. This is a simple one-page website, and this is basically a book and introduction, values, types, and operators. When you click it, any of chapter, then the chapter is open. This is basically a book, so that's great. After that, last but not the least, the great website w3school.com. They divide the chapter into the sections, and you can learn the tutorials from here. So guys, these are the three best websites from where you can learn JavaScript. So I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.